Racing just is started. We have Westminster. Break quick, let us start. Moving upon the outside. Gold Caviar, Jargaw Island in between horses. Best Guys, Royal Choice getting better. Makisig, Humble Submission. Psst. Taxi Wild Arleb is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Westminster by about 4 lengths. Jargaw Island in second. Best Guys, Makisig moving upon the outside. In between horses comes Gold Caviar. Humble Submission is running by the rail, then comes Royal Choice. Psst. Taxi getting better comes next. Wild Arleb is still racing in lengths inside the 3 Octavo. We have Westminster, then here comes Gold Caviar now moving upon the outside. On the inside, Best Guys, Makisig, Humble Submission is racing in 5th, and in 6th, psst, Taxi, then next online getting better. Jargaw Island, Royal Choice, Wild Arleb is still racing in last as they swing for home. Best Guys moving upon the outside. Gold Caviar, then here comes Humble Submission. We have Gold Caviar. Best Guys is down on the inside. Best Guys for the length of Gold Caviar, and finally Best Guys, Gold Caviar, then comes Humble Submission. Psst. Taxi, Westminster.